It's going to be a really quick update on Bitcoin. This is in the 5-minute time frame. We went over all this in one of my streams. I do several streams. I believe this was my 12 o'clock stream where I entered the trade. But going down here, we broke this level. This is our range. So this is a very tight range. I do think that we're going to come down. Reason for my short, I did 74x short. And once we broke down, come back up, it's fine. You know, I wanted to come back to around this area, the midway point. So we have our high, our low, and this automatically gets printed as the midway. So it came up right here. Now, what I'm looking for is it to roll over and break this. I do not want it to break this. If it breaks this, this is bad news for me. I get stopped out. But it did roll over, kept on coming down. Then again, this is just notes from my previous entry that was on the live stream. Then we created this top, came down, came up. So now I do not want the price to break above this. If it breaks above this, now I'm in trouble. Of course, you know, I'll be moving my stop into some really nice profits, but more than likely we'd get here, get rejected due to this, roll over, maybe even to here, and then come up. And then break this. And then now we start reversing again. This was just for a short-term trade, but the longer-term trade is for the short just due to this really nice move up. And these are all of my areas that I'm looking to potentially take profit. That's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. Make sure to watch me on the live streams. Make sure the notification bell is on. Going live multiple times, hopefully multiple times a day. Thank you so much. Take care.